Okay, guys, today I'm going to be talking about how to use the Ask AI tool inside Google Finance application, and the case study for today is about Reddit, my friends. Reddit. So let's start, my friends. So I am on the Google Finance application on Android, as you can see, my friends, and I just hit ask. Now I'll give it a prompt, my friends. Now, my friends, for this case study, my advice to you is to go to Reddit and just compare the results, the information, and the data this AI tool gives you. The Ask AI tool inside Google Finance gives you. Compare it with Reddit Answers tool, my friends. Reddit Answers is also an inbuilt AI tool by Reddit, so you just need to ask it the same question, my friends. So, my friends, I'm going to specifically give it a prompt in front of you guys. Give me reasons to invest in the stocks of Reddit, as it is a profitable decision or not. This is a simple question, my friends, and you can ask it in Google or anywhere else, any ChatGPT, Claude, anywhere, Meta, anywhere. But I specifically am testing this Ask AI tool inside Google Finance, my friends. So look at this, my friends. This is the beauty of it, my friends. You see the sources, my friends, inside everything are from Reddit. Mostly are Reddit, because Google is paying lots of money. I forgot the amount, but they have a contract with Reddit, and they are using the data from Reddit, my friends. Google is using the data. They are paying a lot of money for their machine learning purposes, my friends. So, as of June 2026, Reddit NYSE has transitioned into a highly profitable, high growth platform, making it a compelling but valuation sensitive investment. It's a good investment, my friends. That's what they're trying to say. But the thing is, my friends, one of the good things about this is let's do another thing, my friends. Let's just go and copy this prompt. Give me reasons to invest in the stocks of Reddit. Give me reasons to invest in the stocks of Reddit. So I'll go to ask Reddit. Give me reasons to invest in the stocks of Reddit. So, my friends, let's see the results, my friends. A bit similar, my friends. They gave specifically there were other sources as well that the other app is using. I think 20-30% there is information missing in this thing, the what I have evaluated, my friends, in my case study. So, my friends, this was it, my friends. We tested Ask AI of Google Finance application, and Ask AI inside, which is integrated inside the same question from Reddit application. So that's it, my friends. I think you got the point. You got the full understanding on how you can use Google Finance application to get the answers which you are specifically in the finance section you are looking for, my friends. Thanks for watching.